fix your toilet. Plumber gonna deal with all your problems, with your water and your sewage and your drainage. Gonna fix your toilet, gonna fix your sink, gonna fix all of the running water, all of the drainage, oh yeah. It's a good old plumber, gonna fix the problems. When you get problems with the water, that's when you call the plumber. Plumber, 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 plumber.